See it to achieve it. The power of vision boards. Vision boards are more than just a fun craft project. They are a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams and goals. By creating a visual representation of what you want to achieve, you are setting a clear intention and sending a message to your subconscious mind. Did you know Olympic athletes use visualization to win gold? They don't just train their bodies, they train their minds too. Visualization helps them to mentally rehearse their performance, building confidence and reducing anxiety. It's true, they imagine their victories in vivid detail. This mental practice is just as important as physical training. By visualizing success, they are more likely to achieve it. This isn't just mental fluff, it's a powerful tool. Visualization can help you to focus your mind, clarify your goals, and increase your motivation. It's a technique used by successful people in all walks of life. Now you can harness that same power with a vision board. By creating a vision board, you are taking the first step towards making your dreams a reality. It's a fun and creative way to visualize your goals and keep them at the forefront of your mind. A vision board is a collage of images and words. These images and words should represent your dreams, goals, and the life you want to create. They serve as a constant reminder of what you are working towards. It represents your dreams and goals. By looking at your vision board regularly, you are reinforcing your intentions and keeping your goals top of mind. This can help you to stay focused and motivated. Think of it as a visual roadmap to your best life. Your vision board can guide you towards the life you want to live, helping you to make decisions and take actions that are aligned with your goals. Ready to design your dream life? Let's go! Start by gathering images and words that inspire you and represent your goals. Arrange them on a board in a way that feels meaningful to you. Then, place your vision board somewhere you will see it every day. With a clear vision and a focused mind, you can achieve anything you set your heart on. Why most vision boards fail, and how to avoid the traps. Many people create vision boards the wrong way. They often start with good intentions but quickly lose focus. They just slap on random pictures. This approach lacks direction and purpose. This leads to a jumbled mess, not clear goals. A vision board should be a roadmap to your dreams, not a collage of random thoughts. Don't fall into this trap. It's crucial to be intentional with your choices. Your vision board needs focus. Think about what you truly want to achieve. Choose images that truly resonate with you. Each image should represent a specific goal or aspiration. Each picture should spark joy and excitement. This emotional connection is key to keeping you motivated. This is about your deepest desires, not superficial wants. Take time to reflect on what you really want in life. Get clear, get specific, get ready to manifest. When your vision board is aligned with your true desires, it becomes a powerful tool for manifestation. The science behind the magic how vision boards work. Vision boards aren't magic, but they tap into powerful brain science. Our brains think in pictures. When you see your goals daily, something amazing happens. Your brain starts to believe they're possible. This triggers action. You naturally gravitate towards your dreams. Plus, positive images create positive emotions. Feeling good fuels motivation and keeps you going. It's a win-win. Section 4. Crafting your masterpiece, a step-by-step guide. Ready to create your own powerful vision board? This is your chance to visualize your dreams and make them a reality. Alright, grab a poster board, magazines, scissors, and glue. These are the basic tools you'll need to start crafting your vision. First things first, get clear on your goals. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly desire. Write down your goals, no matter how big or small. What do you really want in life? Think big. Imagine the possibilities and let your mind wander to your wildest dreams. Next, find images that represent your goals. Look through magazines, online resources, or even your own photos. Choose images that resonate with your aspirations. Don't overthink it, just go with your gut. Trust your instincts and select images that speak to you on a deeper level. Add affirming words that inspire you. Words have power, so include quotes, affirmations, and phrases that motivate and uplift you. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it daily. This constant reminder will keep you focused and driven towards your goals. Look at it every day and visualize your dreams coming true. Spend a few moments each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions and excitement as if it's already happening. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Acknowledge your achievements and keep moving forward with confidence. Share your vision with others. Talking about your goals can provide additional motivation and support. Plus, you never know who might help you along your journey. Finally, take actionable steps towards your dreams. A vision board is a powerful tool, but it's your actions that will bring your dreams to life. Stay committed and keep pushing forward. Section 5. Unleash the power living with your vision board. Your vision board is a powerful tool, but it's not enough to just create it. You must take consistent action towards your goals. Your vision board serves as a daily reminder. It keeps you motivated and focused. Remember, your dreams are worth fighting for. So get to work and watch your vision come to life.